This content is for educational purposes only, not a professional advice. What is a credit score? Credit is whatever makes others believe in your promises. Since it is so central to making and accepting promises, how do we assess it? Simply put, assessing credit comes down to two things. The past, how did the party that we are dealing with do on their past promises? The future, are they capable of keeping the new promise that they are making? Well, looking at the past to assess somebody's ability to keep promises is exactly what credit scoring is. In most cases, we use our judgment to do this assessment. Do I know him enough? What do others say about her? But our judgment can be biased, misinformed, or even illegal to use because 1. We often deal with people we don't personally know and will never meet. 2. Many financial transactions that involve promises, like making a loan or renting a place, are regulated and cannot be conducted on the basis of personal judgment. Therein comes the credit score, which essentially is a grade assigned by independent accredited institutions to reflect how well an individual has handled his or her past financial obligations. In the US, one popular credit score is the FICO score. It ranges between 300 and 850. A high score above 660 means good credit. So, do you know what your credit score is?